Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video, and this time I am going to call this video something like homage to Kim Jones, because I will show you guys some of the more recent pickups that I have gotten from Louis Vuitton. And yeah, so basically it's just some of the really cool pieces that I picked up from Kim Jones. So yeah, stay tuned to see my collection. Okay, so as most of you guys know, Kim Jones is no longer with Louis Vuitton. So Kim Jones was the creative director for Louis Vuitton Men's for a while, and now has been replaced by Virgil Abloh. So Kim Jones has gone to Dior, and to be honest with you, I don't know how I'm feeling right now about the new collection, meaning the new runway show from Virgil. And so I don't know if I will, you know, jump ship to Dior, because I did watch the Dior show, Kim Jones's first show with them, and there are a couple pieces, or a few pieces, that I really liked. But for this video, I wanted to show you guys some of the pieces that I had acquired recently from Kim Jones's last two collections. And so I will start with the older pieces. And so Kim Jones, he introduced more, I would say, street style to Louis Vuitton, and I think Virgil Abloh is continuing with that trend. Another thing with Kim Jones is that he introduced quite a few new monograms, and this is one of them. This is considered, well, I think it was originally called Monogram Reflective, but I think it's also called the Silver Monogram. This piece in particular is a monogram split. As you can see, it is one half of the Eclipse monogram and one half of that silver monogram, with Louis Vuitton in the middle here. This is an all canvas piece. Even this little tab here is canvas. And this, I believe, is called the Pochette Jour. It is very reminiscent of the monogram Toiletry Pouch 26. It's very similar in size. I think the only difference is a centimeter or two. But yeah, so that is piece number one. And along with this same collection, I got this keychain, which in the front is the monogram split, but on the other side, and I did not know this, so I did order this online. I did not know that the back was in that. I think this is called Monogram Pacific. Correct me if I'm wrong, but it is a blue, a dark blue exterior to the LVs, and the LVs just a little bit lighter in blue. You can see that. And actually, I just remembered that I have another piece from that same collection, and it is this. And this is the pouch that came with, oh shoot, I forget what the bag is called, but anyway, so this is the pouch that came with that bag, but I did not want the bag itself, and so I asked my SA if he could order me the pouch, and he was successful in getting it. And so this is the same blue as this one. Alright, moving on, let me put that away. Now, and so these came from the Spring-Summer 2018 collection. And that was the second to the last collection from Kim Jones. The final collection was Fall-Winter 2018. And from that collection, I was able to acquire a few items. So in that last runway, there were quite a few different textiles that he introduced. And some of these canvases did not even appear on the runway. So one of those canvases is this one. So this is the upside down monogram, I believe it's called, in the monogram ink. You can see it is in a blue, a dark navy blue, and the LV is upside down and it is in a pink color. On the other side, it's cute. It says have a Vuitton day, and the hardware is in pink as well. And I don't think this this canvas appeared on the runway. And another canvas, I don't have a piece from that, but it is the Vivian, where you know, the mascot Vivian is, I'll put a picture here probably, is featured on a black canvas. And so I also have this keychain from that same collection, and I also have this key ball from that collection. So like I said, these pieces, or this canvas did not appear on the runway, but this one did. So I just recently, very recently acquired this piece here, which is in the monogram titanium. So it is in a, I mean, I'm still unsure what type of material this is. It is a canvas, and I believe it is, after closer inspection, it is coated, and it feels like, or it looks like it's a plastic or PVC coated material, and the LVs and the flowers are stamped on there. And that is how you get that effect. So this is one piece that I got from that collection, and let me show you the other piece that I got. So here is the other key ball that I got. So both of these key balls are supposed to be, they're supposed to be the 50 centimeter size, and again, this is in that monogram titanium. And one thing that worries me about this piece in particular is all the vachetta. And I've already seen some videos that show, oh my gosh, like some wear and tear of these pieces already. And in particular, I think someone posted a video showing defects coming straight from the store, and it looked like you know, oil marks or watermarks that I guess you could try to, you know, scrub off or whatever, but for the price that, you know, this person paid, they didn't want to go through that trouble of trying to clean it and potentially damage it, and so I think they returned it to the store. Upon very close inspection, I do see that there is a little scratch on the bottom here, and it looks like I don't know if it's a defect from making the canvas itself, or a scratch, you know, from a fingernail or whatever. But yeah, one thing that I have noticed, and I do have a sample here. So if you can see this vachetta, it's hard to tell right now because it's the only piece that I have showing right now, but I do have some vachetta, and let me actually remove the luggage tag from this keep all to show you a better idea of it. And I have in this bag, I have a vachetta luggage tag. It's pretty hard to see with the bright light, but what I wanted to show you guys is, so this is a luggage tag that my mom got me when she went to Hawaii. I want to say maybe like 5 years ago, and it's pretty much not really seen the light of day and it's been in the dust bag in the box ever since, because I've just been, you know, preserving it. And here is the luggage tag from the titanium piece, if you can see. And when I put them next to each other, you can definitely see the difference. So here is my Hawaii stamp, and here is the titanium luggage tag. So it is already pre-darkened. And what I don't know is, so I think Lily LV, she had posted something on Instagram saying that some pieces are a coated vachetta, and I'm actually hoping that this is the case with this one, because that means that it'll patina a lot slower, and it will keep clean and not have as much watermarks if you do end up taking this in the rain. Because as we guys all know, vachetta is basically uncoated, untreated leather, and with any kind of marks, any kind of moisture or whatever, like, you know, you can't get, it's really hard to get rid of that, those marks. But the patina on the strap, and even on the handles here, they're all the same color. So yeah, I don't know if it's pre-treated or if it's aged a little bit to get it a little bit darker, but like I said, I am hoping it is treated with something so that it will patina a lot slower and it gets you know, less dirty. If you know what I mean with vachetta over time. But yeah, that's all I really wanted to show with this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and I am trying to get an exchange for this one, but I know it is very difficult to come by. My SA is trying to, you know, find one. But if not, I don't know, I might keep it. I really want this piece, but and it is such a small scratch. But for the price of this item, I want it to be perfect inside and out. But yeah, anyway, so that's all I wanted to say for this video. Hope you liked it, and until next time, remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.